And the winner of the 2021 TIDA New Zealand Powder Room is Leonie Hamill of Cube Dentro.
Like many powder rooms, this one is in a potentially highly visible position, in this case near the home's front entrance. This has been addressed by installing a cavity slider door with the exterior stain to match the surrounding timber, resulting in the powder room entrance being hardly noticeable. On the inside, the door is covered in the same large format ceramic tiles that fully clad the walls and floor, creating a sense of enclosure when the door is shut and the powder room is occupied. The judges were impressed with the level of cohesion between all the materials and finishes that were selected. They also noted the innovative use of an aged brass chain curtain to separate the shower from the toilet and vanity area, allowing the room to function as a secondary bathroom while still retaining the dramatic impact that a powder room design should have. Congratulations to Leonie Hamill of Cube Dentro, winner of the 2021 TIDA New Zealand Powder Room of the Year.
Oh, that's fantastic news. Thank you. Very, very much appreciated. I'd just like to thank our clients, our team. Our team is fantastic. We've got, great team right from the beginning of the project right through to the end. So well done to our team, Cube Dentro. And it's been an exciting project. We had a vision for this powder room to be hidden from the beginning. The location is just off the media room and the kitchen, so it's a great location, but it's near the front door. So we felt it was nice to hide that from coming in from the front entrance. And so we incorporated the paneling right from the front door entrance right round through to the kitchen. And just hid that powder room away, which worked out lovely. So we've got some beautiful combination of the tiles with a concrete tilt panel wall, which, for a small space, we've got a few things that are going on there. And instead of using a glass screen as the surrounding for the shower part of it, we wanted to introduce some texture and create something that gives a visual impact when you walk in, that doesn't close off the room. And so that curtain can be opened and closed and put on an angle so you can see it in different lights, which is really neat.